Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is the 10th day of March 2020. Here is the video that we're going to update you all on XRP and our price forecast, price prediction, because as you all can tell by the price chart right now, we didn't put in a forecast. We wanted the market to anticipate what it wanted to do prior to us giving you all the forecasts. And on that last video, we did state though that XRP was in fact weak, and you can tell by the price action that the market in XRP in fact did move to the downside. Of another note, if you guys watch the stock market, beginning trading of today, the market was up about 1,000 points in the Dow, and a lot of the other indexes, the Nasdaq and S&P 500, were all up about 3.5%, and now the market has lost all of those gains. Just continues to show you that the volatility concerning the coronavirus and the oil supply shock price war that's going on between Russia and Saudi Arabia continues to shake up this particular stock market economy. So now, this is your first time watching our video, hit that subscribe button, because it's our purpose to give you price forecasts before the market actually gets there without being confused. Everyone else gives you their technical analysis jargon, their confusing price charts, and in the end, they speak out of both sides of their mouth. They tell you that the market could go higher, and out of the same video, they tell you that the market can go lower. That does not benefit you at all. So make sure you hit that subscribe button here on this platform, as well as follow us on Twitter, the Gram, and then on Facebook. If you guys want to participate in our online community on our website, join us at HueFinancial.com as well. So now, the last time we did our video in XRP was right there on the 6th day of March. So it's been about 4 days and the market completely collapsed. But you know what? The market came and held support at 20 cents. That's very good in terms of XRP maintaining consolidation. Okay, I'm not saying that this is the start of a new bull run, but rather look at this particular price chart in XRP. You can see how overall the market in XRP has been in a consolidational range, a very wide range at that. I will give it 30 cents to be the top portion of that consolidational range, 25 cents the mid area, and then 20 cents this ultimate support area in the market in XRP. Now, we really haven't came all the way down here to 15 cents, or I would even say 18 cents for XRP. That would be very detrimental to this cryptocurrency if we come right back down to that 18 cent to around 15 cent price level. Very, very detrimental. And that's why we are under the premise that the market in XRP came and held support at 20 cents. So again, we just live another day to allow the market to consolidate in XRP. Taking a look at XRP on the weekly time frame, you guys can tell that weakness is still here. We're just momentarily holding consolidational trading and support at 20 cents. So I'm not at all convinced that the weakness in the market in XRP is gone. Not at all. And then when you look at XRP on the monthly time frame, you can still tell here that the weakness is still very present in XRP. So much so that I'm gonna throw this out on the table to you and say that XRP can make a new all-time low throughout 2020. So switching it back over to the daily time frame, we are noticing that we are seeing some small hints of strength trying to come through. It's not that strong based off the volume, so I'm not all convinced that we're seeing a good handle on the market strength in XRP. We really have been consolidating into the market in XRP. The volume on this current 4-hour bar is heavy. We're closing at the low end of the bar, so it tells me and you that resistance and sellers are coming into the market at 21.5 cents, probably up there at around 22 cents as well. So again, taking a look at XRP on the 1-hour time frame, you guys can see that resistance did in fact come in at 0.216, getting that weakness coming through now on this current 1-hour bar. So all in all, I'm not really seeing anything too drastic in terms of strength and or weakness into the market for XRP, but just understand that the overall sentiment of this currency is weakness based off the weekly price chart and then on the monthly price chart. Okay, so while we're seeing this weakness coming to the market right now in XRP, the market needs to hold 21 cents for support. If we break below if we break below 21 cents, the expectation of strength will now be gone. Okay, so expect that to play out in the market for XRP. So we're just going to play this on a very small time frame in XRP. Going to continue to play this market weakness. It's going to be a very small position though forecast for XRP. We know that 21.5 cents is resistance, but I'm going to bring it all the way up there to around 22. And I already know that 21 cents can be support in the market for XRP. So we'll TP it there, be a small 1% profit into the market for XRP. But hey, we know that there's a probability that the market can hold support there. Okay, so again, we're going to continue to play some weakness into the market right now in XRP. I'm telling you now, I'm not saying that it's going to be a plummet. It's not going to be a crash. I'm just simply stating that the current movement in XRP is weakness. So we're going to play the market movement to the downside on the 2-hour chart for XRP. All right. So questions, comments, you know where we at. Leave us one. Make sure you maintain that profitability. And I'm done.